I'm Marta.
And I'm Gertie.
We are a Canadian couple who love traveling locally as much as we love traveling abroad. In December, we bought a piece of vacant land 3 hours north of the city, and we are planning on trading in the city life for a new adventure by building our dream cabin in the woods. In this video, we span over 2 weekends with fall on our heels. We start to cut some wood to put into our new build firewood storage shed, and walls are starting to go up as our framers are on site. I get to use my first nail gun, which is super exciting, and the crew does an awesome job putting up one of our walls and starting our floor system for the upper loft. Follow the journey to see what's next. Hi guys, we're here on the land just doing some finishing touches. It's been raining all week long, so our framers haven't started. We need to patch that hole in the frame. There's some holes that we drilled through, and we want to install some solar lights on this shed, and then we're going to start cutting some wood because everything is soaking wet and we might as well put it where it belongs. So we're going to get started now. Okay, you can see behind me we haven't touched the wood and there's a lot to get through, so we're going to take a stab at least cutting down with a chainsaw, and then we're going to sharpen our axe and try to split the wood and start piling it all in the woodshed behind us. So we got a lot of tedious work ahead, but hopefully we get through the pile. What a difference it makes now that our chainsaw is sharpened. We're getting through wood so much quicker. A lot of the wood is already rotting out, you can see. A lot of the trees in the area were dead to begin with, so we try not to cut down any of the good wood. This weather is seriously wonky. It was just pouring rain, and now it is beautiful and sunny. But anyway, our axe was also dull, so we bought this tool from Amazon. We'll see how good it works, but I don't know. Well, I don't have the best faith in it. A bigger log. Wow.
Wow, I'm impressed with myself.
Yeah, that sharpener actually works pretty good. I think we got this down. Wow. Big muscle. We got all the family helping today. So all our family came, so we're kind of not really working anymore. There's my mom preparing some stuff to eat. We're just barbecuing on the tailgate. Dad's supervising, brother's barbecuing. Good morning. We are so excited. Yes, it's been a busy week. We've been working a lot, and our framers have started and they've been sending us updates, so we're so excited to see it live in person. Apparently there's 3 walls up, so the progress is going really well, and it's only the beginning of October. It's kind of crazy to see how much traffic is on the road. It's 7:30 in the morning right now, and I'm just going to show you really quickly. So crazy. We just drove into like the most fog, and it was just sunny a minute ago. I'm surprised of how fast everything is going. That's the tall wall. We're waiting on the ridge beam that goes on top, so they won't be able to do that. But the walls are going really quickly, which is exciting, and hopefully in like a week or two, framing should be done. We're waiting on the windows till the end of October and that ridge beam, so they can't really start the cathedral ceilings until then. But honestly, I couldn't be happier with these contractors. They were fun, educational. They let me use a nail gun, which is exciting, and they're doing a bang-up job.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of home. I need you on my fire.
Okay, we're here on site, and as you can see, our main tall wall is up and everyone is just behind us working. Thanks to this crew, because they're working with drawings that aren't matching up. The plumber put the pipe a little bit off, so we had to improvise, but they're doing an amazing job and getting through everything really, really quickly. So let's show you how a wall is framed.
Here, right? It's pretty heavy.
Okay.
So you can use your left hand to support it.
Okay.
Here, I would say.
Here.
Yep.
Nothing will happen. Okay.
And so push
Okay.
it down and then squeeze the trigger.
Like on an angle, like this?
Not that much. Like you can
Like
flatten,
Just get ready for it
flatten that off a
to
little bit.
bounce
like that.
back.
Bounce back?
A little bit. It'll have a bit of kick.
Oh my god, a little bit of kick. Okay, I think I understand.
There you go.
Okay. Two more? I think
So don't go on too much of an angle so that it's going to shoot into the concrete.
so, like this.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh my god.
And then one at the top here.
Is that okay?
Yeah. Perfect.
On it?
Yep.
Sunny. And down here?
Yep. Just not so much angle. So flatten the gun out. Yep.
I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything
Checking
here,
it square.
at least to stay alive, and the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel it?
Alright, so we're going to be standing up the wall there.
Hard hats for you.
The magic mic of framing.
Just make sure that
Yeah.
if it starts going, we give her a pull back. And
Yeah.
All right, I'm ready.
No pressure.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes.
Back there just capturing some drone shots. Stan has been barking at all the workers because I think he feels intimidated by them with all the things they're carrying. So got to keep an eye out on him.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down.
Whenever you're ready. You're going to the left. You shooting now? Yeah, we're good. Actually, if you want to slide this stuff.
You get your side down.
Tom. Okay, is that good?
Yeah, it's in. Drop your end down, Rob.
No. Okay, slide this down.
Here, I can.
Watch up your end.
Hold on, that's a little much.
So yeah, we're gonna become skiers because the ski hill is down a hill through a path, and this is our backyard. I still can't believe this is our backyard. It's so pretty. We're definitely gonna come here skiing, and I think you can buy a trail pass and go biking on the trails that the property maintains. We're super excited now that the walls are going up. We definitely feel like progress is being made.
And we can also come home through the ski lifts.
Yeah, exactly. We can get a lift up. Anyways, if you're new to our channel, please like and subscribe to follow the journey. We appreciate it. You're helping us grow. Thank you.